Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Danville Public Library. It's me, Connie. I'm back again. And during the week of June 1st to June 5th, it's our Bunny Week. And if you get onto YouTube, you will be able to make a bunny flying windsock. And you'll get a packet of seeds with that craft. You will be able to listen to the story we read, Home for a Bunny by Margaret Wise Brown. And then I want you to enjoy a little snack. Guess what this is? Yep, it's a juice box. Well, it's a bunny. And here's the back. Oh, he fell over. Stand up, mister. And here's the bunny's tail right there. So to make one of these little juice boxes for yourself, you need, of course, a juice box. And then you just take a piece of white paper and wrap it around to the back, just like this. And I'm going to tape mine. So take a piece of tape and tape it on. Now this is what you have. And then I have made two ears. And these are just two little pieces of paper, and they have pink in the middle because I want my bunny to have pink ears. And I'm going to take a piece of tape for one, and I'm going to put it, I'm going to put it right here. And then I'm going to take a piece of tape for the other one, and I'm going to put it right here. Now, does anybody know what might be missing here with this bunny? Oh my goodness, where's the face? Now, to make the face, we're just going to take a marker, a crayon, or a colored pencil, and we're going to put in a couple of bunny eyes just looking just a little bit like this. We're just going to color them in, and there's his eyes, okay? What's missing next? Oh, we need some nose to cut. We just come down like this, and that way, and then this way, and we'll put a few whiskers like that. But something else is missing, a nose. I'm going to use pink to match my ears. You can use any color you want. And I'm going to make a little nose here in the middle. So there's your bunny. Well, what about that? Oh my goodness, we need a tail. And guess what? I found this, and it's pink. I dropped it. It's okay. I found it. My bunny's going to get a tail after all. And on this bunny, he has a pink tail. So here's your juice box bunny with a pink tail. Stand up. There he is. And here he is with a white tail. And you have two bunnies. One for you, one for your friend. And you can make this at home, and be sure that you enjoy all of our things that we're putting on YouTube. We miss you, and we'll hope to see you soon. So enjoy your bunny week. Bye, guys.